Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to put a trailer hitch on our 2022 GMC Acadia. Camping, bikes, sure. It's an SLT2. You can get them with the tow package, we did not, but now we're going to install it. And I will show you how. It's not too difficult. You do have to remove the fascia on the back, this bumper. There is a steel bumper underneath it, but the pretty bumper, you gotta take the pretty bumper off. You gotta take the steel bumper off too, because that hitch is sandwiched in between there. But let's do it. I'll show you how. Okay, you get this fascia off. There's a bolt here, obviously there. You have 1, 2, 3. You can pull the fourth one here, you probably don't need to. Then behind this is one there and one there. So do that both sides. You see this kind of just pops loose. That's a T15 there on the sides. That's a T15. And then underneath there's 6 across. 2 of them just hold on this guy here. And they're 7mm. Let me check that. 7mm. Show it to me. Show it to me. Show it to me. 7mm. Okay, so like I said, get all those bolts out. Gently pull up on this because these will tear. Here's what we're after. This bumper right here. Once you get the tail panel loose, hangs on these too. You gotta be careful, just kind of lift it up and out. Unplug this, it's right back here. On this stud and that stud are 2 little clips, and those go to all the airbag sensors and all that stuff. Here's the other end of it right here. See, all this stuff is in that bumper. And here's what we're after. 15mm nuts there, 15mm bolts down here, 4 on each side. Hold this steel bumper on. Your exhaust is going to droop a little bit when you take these 2 bottom ones off, but they'll go back on. Here's this little hook right here, so I'm sure that kind of holds things in place, but yeah. Okay. Let's get some things pulled apart here. Pull the bumper off. Here it is. Here's the fun part. Here's the goods. Class 3 hitch. Supposedly you can tow quite a bit, but man, this just does not look that stout. Follow me? Oh yeah, I forgot. These gotta come off. These little bumper support brackets. This hitch has gotta go right here. Okay, let's take those off. both these plugs are just terminated. This one right here and this one right here. Okay, this is like the 7-pin. This is regular 4-pin. They don't do anything. They're just hanging out. That's neat. Weird. Okay. We'll just hang this. We'll just, you know, hang this. Maybe not. Come on. There we go. Sure. We gotta get this over. Come on, Dada. Yippee. Yeah. Go. Okay. Sure. Yeah, I don't know. Okay. Now we get to put the bumper back on over that.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Ignore that. Don't damage my car. Why? Oh. Okay. Okay. Alrighty. Get a couple of these started. Don't tighten them down yet, because you're probably going to have to line up your exhaust hangers again. Don't just go tighten them down. So we'll get down here, put this dude back on the little dude things. Loctite. I may regret it in the future. Put a little bit of red Loctite on these. Like I said, it's probably overkill. But same time, you know, I don't want this coming off. Just, you know, I don't. Like ever without me.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Good time to come in here and clean your exhaust tips. Since I got them exposed. Cleaner in there at some point. Look at that. Hitch. So So the one that I got online, it's got that big plug right there, which looks like it's probably this one right here. No. You're looking, no, down here. Look down here. Right there. See, there you go. Right here, this guy. Come on. See that? It's got this dead plug on it. Looks exactly the same. That's where it's gonna go. I just got super duped. I pulled the plug end off. As you can see, this one has got blades in it, outlet blades. This does not. Well, there's nothing here. So be careful. I got super scared and tripped out for a minute. I'm like, oh no. But what I am gonna do is these don't really seem to be weather packed. They don't have a weather pack seal. I'm gonna get some dielectric grease on here. See there? Dielectric grease. Don't know how it works. It just does. I put a little on the blades. I say little, I actually put it quite a bit. It'll keep the blades from getting all rusty, oxidized, and such. Perfect fit. That's a nice. I like when that happens. Can't put that in the video. Thanks a lot, neighbors. That's not nice. Okay, clippers. Clippers and a zip tie. I use the standard 4-pin. Most of my applications. Some trailers have used the 7-pin circular one. I have an adapter for that if I ever need it. I've had it forever in my truck, which will probably be the next one to get a hitch because I put a roll pan on it, and you know, kind of kills your whole hitch vibe. You gotta get a special roll pan hitch. I like to put a lot of little dielectric grease in these too, just to keep everything. I am just going to zip tie this dude right here for now until I can find or fabricate some kind of a plate. Might regret that. I want to have a little bit of lead. Have a little bit of a lead. Yep. So I'll zip tie all this up out of the way. That's it. Reverse the installation for the fascia. So you come around here, just gently pop it in place around the edge. There's some right here along the bottom of the tail light. Right here and right here. Do that on both sides. You're gonna hang it first on these and kind of work it in here, over there and over there evenly. Otherwise you're gonna do damage. Ask me how I know. Okay, we'll be back in a minute with the fascia on, and I'll see if that little cover fits or not, and then we'll have to trim that possibly. The 2017s, you do have to trim it. They changed the bumper for the 2020 model, so it's a little bit different. Hopefully the cover is a little bit shaped a little differently to accommodate the hitch. So let's see what that looks like. Up. This one goes into the sheet metal. snap that back in there like that. There's some screws in here on the inside lower part. There's a screw up here too. Really smart. Oh, I had a bumper into the kidney. If I was really smart, I would have power washed underneath all this. I'm not. Okay, so here we have the little hitch cover. The earlier ones didn't have this detail in them. This whole lower bumper was a little bit different on the other ones. They had the round tips. These have the nice, not really hexagonal, but rectangular with a sniped tip on them. Sure. So I want to see if this fits. It looks like it's going to fit. If you look here, you can see there's the hitch sticking out. Whereas the other ones really stuck out on the other models. It's the exact same part number for 2017 through 2024 Acadias. Oops. But some of the body panels are a little bit different. Front ends are different. Front sheet metal's different. Main body is exactly the same. Beat from the A-pillars back are exactly the same, which is like bumpers and wow. I didn't notice it before, but underneath here, come on, have a look. Let me show you. Maybe this time it was thought about, unlike the other one. Come on now, come on. Let's put that down. Let's just put that down over here. Look at this. Look at that. Like in the instructions says, you'll have to take a body saw and cut this all out. No, no. Thank you, GMC, GM. Thought about it that time. Good job. There's our wire harness. We'll tuck nice and neat behind there. There's our. This is where we're gonna have to do something. I can't. That's gonna make noise, and I'm not gonna be cool with that. So we'll have to do something about that, but it's a problem for another day. I'll probably just make a bracket that comes right off of here for the screw into this. Is that one the one? Yeah, that's the one. To screw into this hole right here. So I'll save my little body trim screws. Make a bracket, probably comes over here, jogs like that, so we can bypass this guy here because we're gonna need room for that screw to come up underneath. So just, yeah, I think you know what I'm saying. That'll keep this from rattling all over the place, because I know my wife's gonna have something to say about that, and I would too. Okay. Thank you for watching Iron Triangle Garage. I hope you got a GMC Acadia or a Chevy Traverse. That platform, here's how you put a hitch on it. All right. I'll see you later.